थोडे कटे पिक्चर काढणार का
म्हाका जाय मला पोस्ट करतो
पण साताचं काढणार अख्खं काढतो
विजय
No problem. It's okay. The Popa.
He wants to see. Yeah.
No problem.
No. अरे बोलिए तो बनता
गरम झाले thanking in sign language because they are hearing impaired. Sign language in thank you. मैम तो बस छाया मैम आ गया
आता बनवून घाली फटे What जगह Bye. Oke, tangan kayaknya. Jadi masuk.
Daji, why is Ashadeep such a special children to go on Rakhi Bandhan? That's why Bandhan celebrated. How do you feel today?
खूप बरं दिसतं. एक भावूक क्षण माझ्या खातीर. खरें म्हणल्यार ते रक्षाबंधन ही आमची संस्कृती. म्हणजे पयलींपासून आमी भाव भयणां मदीं ते प्रेम वाडोवपाक नाल्यार तांचे अशें म्हणटात की ताणें राखी बांदली आमी ताजें रक्षण करप. हें जरी एक संस्कृती आसली पूण आज ही जी आशादीपाची भुरगीं येवन तांणी आज म्हाका राखी बांदली. खूबच भावीक असो क्षण आसा कित्याक ही देवाची स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन ही. सो हांकां खंय तरी आज सगळ्यांची गरज आसा. म्हजीच न्ही सगळ्यांची गरज आसा. म्हजो तांकां सपोर्ट पयलीं पासून आसा. पूण आज जेन्ना ती एक एकटी म्हाका येवन जे उलयतात नाल्यार राखी बांदतात खंय तरी तांच्या मदीं अपेक्षा अशी कांय ना आपलें हें करचें म्हणून. पूण म्हाका दिसता एज अ भाव जाल्यार एज अ हें म्हाका दिसता आमची सगळ्यांची ड्युटी आसा की आज तांचे कडेन आमी सगळ्यांनी लक्ष दिवपाक जाय. तांची कितें गरजो आसा तांचें कितें हें आसा थोड्यांक आयकूंक येना थोड्यांक उलोवंक येना पूण तरी सुद्दां ती इतली भावनेन येतात. खंय तरी आज म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांनी समाजान सगळ्यांनी तांची हेल्प करपाची गरज आसा. तांकां जाय त्यो वस्तू म्हणजे दिवपाक जाय. तांची आमी कॅर घेवपाक जाय. वस्तू परस एक मॉरल तांकां सपोर्ट जो मेळपाक जाय म्हाका दिसता तो आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून तांकां दिवपाक जाय. फायनान्शियली आमी कोणूय तांकां सपोर्ट करूंक शकता पूण तांच्या खातीर जें एक वेगळेपण आमी तांकां पळोवपाचो दृश्टिकोन आमी सगळ्यांनी एक वेगळो दवरपाक जाय. तांचे कडेन आपली भयण आसा तशीच तांकां वागोवपाचो प्रयत्न करपाक जाय. आनी तांकां वाड जाता म्हणजे आतां भुरगीं आसा ती तांचें व्हड जावन म्हणसर आमी सगळ्यांनी हातभार लावन तांच्या शिक्षणा कडेन जावं तांच्या बरेपणा कडेन जावं आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून तांकां वयर काडपाक जाय अशें म्हाका सांगून दिसता.
मैडम
Madam, today this is a very special initiative, a very special occasion, a very special moment for all of us. So, what was the whole idea and what do you want to say with that?
We want to reach out to people as much as the help we are getting, and today we are really honored that Sir Daji Salkar has promised us his help. He has spoken to the people to give whatever they can give by way of help or support to our children. These Rakhis that you see the children tying to him and to the other people are made by them. And to make that Rakhi takes them, as the teacher said, at least 3 months. Each task is broken up. First they have to sort out each item. Then they have to put 2 things together. Then add the 3rd thing. So it goes on like this, you know, it takes them very long and some of them can't even do it in the end. You have to hold their hand to make it happen. At the same time, by coming out, this is a social skill for our children. Coming out, meeting people, knowing how to sit in a bus, how to go in line somewhere, meet somebody, greet them. These are all skills that we learn automatically, but these special children have to be taught. And this is one of the skills they are learning today, to go out to do a puja for somebody special and to honor them. It's an appeal to everybody who's watching this, who's listening, that if you have children in your neighborhood who are children with special needs, reach out to them. Tell them there are schools all over Goa. There are something like 40 schools all over Goa. Take that child, help that child to reach a school. And that's very important because by coming out, they learn things. They learn how to get about in society. They get independent for their own personal needs, such as dressing, brushing teeth. These are the things the children learn in school. So reach out. Whenever you see a child with special needs, reach out to them. Take them, help them find a school nearest to their home.
Madam, we've seen schools all over. Special schools have
Yes.
special needs. Today's a special day. You're with the legislator today. Anything that you expect from the government, somewhere that you feel that government could do a little bit more for this kind of schools and reach out to you? You think the government should
Yes.
take one step forward?
Definitely. Like buses, for instance. Some of the time, children who are in wheelchairs, they find it difficult to get into a bus. So if we could get a bus that has a lift like they have abroad, a lift that the wheelchair itself goes up
Disabled
onto the
friendly
bus.
or
Yes, disabled friendly buses. Make the surroundings friendly for disabled children. Sometimes it's very difficult to take a special child. Like as you see, these children are all walking, but we couldn't bring the ones who are in wheelchairs because they have to be carried. And because of the Sapta, we could not bring the wheelchairs. Otherwise, we would have brought them in wheelchairs. So if we could only, help by making it disabled friendly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
मॅडम आज तुमच्या ऑफिसान सगळी भुरगीं आयल्या रक्षा बंधन जावन हाव डू यू फील टुडे आनी तूं कितें सांगूंक सोदता मॅडम?
इट इज अ व्हेरी इमोशनल मोमेंट एक्चुली आनी तांकां सगळ्यांक पळोवन खरेंच अशें दिसता की आमकां जी टास्क सामकी सोंपेपणान करपा जाता तांचे खातीर तांकां खूब एफर्ट लागता आनी तातूंत तांणी येवन स्पेशली हांगा राखी बांदप in itself is a very big thing. म्हाका दिसता I have been to their school. I am a member of एक ताजे एक मेंबर ताच्या हालीर एक मेंबर PTA मेंबर आसा स्पेशल ड्युटी म्हणून पूण इतली सुंदर काम करतात. म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट करन दिसता अपील करन दिसता ह्या सगळ्या लोकां कडेन की तांच्या संस्थेंतल्यान म्हणजे तांचे जे स्कूल आसा तेतूंतलीच भुरगीं पेपर क्लॉथ बॅग्स करता पेपर बॅग्स करता पणट्यो करता सामक्यो सुंदर आमी वार्षिक त्यो घेतात आनी म्हाका दिसता बाजारांतल्यान तुमी घेता ह्या भुरग्यांच्यो केल्ल्यो घेया एका निमतान तांकां सपोर्ट जातलो आनी राखी म्हणा म्हणजे एवरीथींग आनी तांच्यो आय वूड लायक टू कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट द स्टाफ ऑल्सो इतले बुरबायेन तांकां ते हांवें पळयलां तांकां ते टास्क करतना सुद्दां धाकटे टास्क सुद्दां करपाक तांकां इतले एनकरेज करतात लास्ट इयर म्हाका याद आसा सप्ताक आमी तांकां एक स्टॉल दिवचो मेळचो तांकां जागो तांचें सगळें सामान दवरपाक म्हणून सुद्दां आमी म्हाका याद आसा दाजीनूय तेन्ना धगडिल्ली की तांकां दिवपाक जाय म्हणून कित्याक दीज आर द सेक्शन्स ऑफ द सोसायटी दॅट खरें रिक्वायर आमचो हेल्प नॉर्मल बिंग्सांक जो सोंपेपणान जी सगळीं कामां जाता पळय ते तांकां जितलो एफर्ट लागता तांकां शिकोवपाक तितलोच चड एफर्ट लागता सो दोनी वटेन म्हणजे रायट फ्रॉम द स्टाफ टू द चिल्ड्रन देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट डेट इज बींग पुट इन सो आय अपील वन्स अगेन थ्रू युअर मिडियम की ह्या लोकांचे जे हे आसा म्हणजे जे सामान आसा तांचे खरेंच म्हणजे कौतूक करपा सारकें हे आसा ते लोकांनी घेवचे दिवाळी येता सण येता सगळे आमचे दिवाळी येता चवथ येता दिवाळी येता जमता तितले तांकां तांचे कडल्यान तांकां हेल्प करून एका तांकां मेक देम सेल्फ सफिशियंट इन अ वे एंड ऑफकोर्स आमच्या वाटेंतल्यान हेल्प आसता
मॅडम इट इज नेवर टू लेट यू आर द काउन्सिलर नाव म्हणजे फुडल्या सप्तकाक कॅन बी एक्सपेक्ट वन स्टॉल फॉर दॅट
Definitely. I will put in a special list that these people will be given a special area to market their goods because the goods are really good. खरीच बरी आसा आणि they are the product of love and hard work.
थँक्यू गॉड ब्लेस
उलयता
मॅडम आयज तुमची सगळी भुरगीं हांगा आयिल्ली आसा कितें सांगूंक सोदता मॅडम
Actually, feels honor, to come to Daji sir's office, and he has given us chance to come here and to celebrate the Raksha Bandhan. As the ma'am said, like she will promise to give the stall, but I would like to say one more thing. Like we have been putting a stall in the Sapta, but what happened? The stalls, are very small. Like what the municipality has given us. People can't recognize our stall. So because of that, people doesn't reach out to our stall. And the shade which was given was literally leaking. So I will make an appeal, like, if we could get a bigger space stall and, more exposure to our stall, and whatever these products are made by the students, or the profits are distributed among the students. Like, these are the vocational sections of the students above 18, like where if they don't get a job opportunity in the society, so because of them we make this product, so that, they are financially independent. So I will make an appeal to everyone. So whenever you see our stall, we don't want sympathy. Even our children have an equal right in society. They are also children. They are also adults. Okay, we want empathy. They also have equally right like regular adults and children. So it will be very grateful if ma'am and sir next time they give us a bigger stall and more exposure. Even I will request you media people, once the stall we inaugurate, you all also come and give us the platform to show our products.